Let's get started. Hey guys, this is Wakar Bucks from For Everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a 3D printed earphone holder. So let's get right into Fusion 360. So now the design is complete. Let's 3D print it. So this is the final print and it took nearly 50 minutes to print. It is great to have it now because after this our earphones will not get tangled again. So that's it for today's video guys. Please comment down below and tell me what should I 3D print next. Thanks for watching this video and we will meet soon in the next one.